my dad was building the chicken coop. Now he's practically done. It's actually really awesome. Yeah, I'll be showing you it. And there's Lucy. No, so I'm gonna wait till he fills up a hole. So, oh, Dadders! Hi, Luce. Daddy. Okay, now let's see the chicken coop. Okay, here it is. I don't have shoes on. And my dad got a worm. This is the door. Okay. Good morning.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
I know. Well, that's the one thing they'll fight over it.
Oh, that's not fair.
Well, an old guy.
Oh, there's a half of it.
I think it was poop, but maybe not.
Ew.
It was a worm.
So this is their legging spots. This is the purchase. The lampy thing, the water, the food, which are all covered with chicken popcorn stuff. And outside, and their little Dory. Can I get inside?
No. Okay.
Can I get inside? Okay, this is the outside thing. Okay, so this is the outside thing. Oh, this is a little door thing. So at night they can sleep without going out. It's gonna be cold and they'll die. If that was it. Never mind. So, and here's a hay and stuff and a pump. Okay, and so it's like caged all around. I don't know how else to show it. I don't know if I'm doing a good job showing it. But, yeah. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to show you. Can I shut this? Okay, can I shut this? Okay, whatever. So I'm going to show you. That's what it looks like over there. It used to be a toy, like a toy shop, big toy shop, you know. I opened it. Don't go in there. I'll just shut the, little. Okay. That's a really boring video. Okay. No, Daddy. Okay. You're not going out anyways. So, I guess that's it. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to show him. Just get him over there or over the thing. Oh. Coco, I will save you. Okay, now I'll show you. That's there. That's the outdoor thing. And bye.